Just something quick here about the valve cover extenders. In my situation, I had to go with the 165 roller shafts, and they would not fit, obviously, under the stock valve cover without an extender plate. I did not want to use aftermarket valve covers. So, and of course, by the way, in another video, you'll see I got another set of valve covers and got them powder coated, and these could use cleaning up. But anyway, so you can see the difference right here. These are the studs that Jason sends with the extenders, with these plates, versus the stock stud or bolt right here. And this is where the wastegate solenoid would go on the passenger side. Of course, there's the front, and there's where the breather would go. And it just barely, you know, enters the whole area right here. So you can see the difference. But if you want to update your shafts from the stock shafts, especially with a 165, I don't know if a 155 would fit under here without it. I've kind of got my doubts. So I would say with a 155, you might need this as well. Me personally, I did not want to go with aftermarket valve covers because I've just heard horror stories of them leaking, and I've heard that this was a better solution. Plus, I like the look of the stock valve cover anyway. But here we are, and a friend of mine has mentioned about a product called All Thread. Instead of welding a stud to the top of this for the wastegate solenoid and the crap having to deal with that wiring harness and all on the driver's side, of getting a product called All Thread, and you just cut it. All it is just studded thread, and you just cut it to whatever length you need, and then just double nut it, you know, to tighten it up. So I may give that a whirl, and if it works, I'll make a little video for that. Today is Merry Christmas Day, or Christmas Eve rather, December 24th, 2018, Monday. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Ho-Ho. Later.